We got our workouts in. We are ready to start our day. Now, we are at a state park a little south of Forks, Washington, but we are going to turn around and head back north into Forks to get gas before we start our journey today, which we don't fully know where our journey is going to take us. So we just want to be...
We'd have just enough gas probably to get down to Hoquiam. We'd have enough. I don't like being below a quarter tank.
We don't like just enough.
Well,
yeah,
we might turn off and drive up that visitor center.
Yeah,
if we goof around up there, then
we need gas.
Stuck between Forks and the other town with...
Let's go get gas and get some coffee. Deal?
Deal.
Deal. Okay, we got gas. We got coffee. We're busting out this map once again. What do you think we're going to be doing?
Busting out the map.
Busting it out. Pistol, we need to trim your little nails. How about, huh? Okay. Show us what's happening.
So, we spent the night at Bogachiel State Park.
Yeah.
So, we're going to run down 101. Not very far.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
Actually, we're up in Forks now to get coffee. So, I got to go back down.
She climbed over for a kiss.
And then we'll take the Upper Hoe Road.
Okay.
Check out the visitor center.
Rainforest.
Maybe do a little hike.
Yeah, my only concern is she's not allowed there. So
We'll just see.
You'll see what that looks like.
And then we'll
it's gonna be a nice drive regardless.
work our way down this way and we'll find a place to stay, maybe down at this lake or somewhere.
Okay. Sounds good. Let's roll. Definitely busy here on this west side into the rainforest than it was on the east side into like Staircase or
Imagine the summer.
Oh, madness. Okay, we came, we visited.
We kicked it.
And now we're off. Not gonna go on any trails. It's packed here. Barely found a parking spot.
The only way I would hike is if we get probably at least 4 or 5 miles in, because it's just a line of people.
Yeah.
We can't leave Pistol that long.
Yeah. That's okay. A beautiful drive, and we're gonna make it back out. And then I don't really fully know yet where our target is for this afternoon.
Let's just go find the next campground that speaks to us.
It's gotta speak
We'll pull
to
in
us.
every campground we...
Daddy.
What? Do you love me?
She does. Now she's mad because you rejected her.
I didn't blame our non-hiking life on you.
Yes, you did.
We'll just stop at every campground we go by, and if it speaks to us, we'll stay.
Deal. All right, let's get out of here. Well, we're to the coast now.
Feel like the coast.
We got fog. The beach is over here, but you can't see it.
It was 72, 73 degrees 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, and now it's
59.
Yeah, that's about right. The ocean is out there, right there. Just gone. Completely gone.
Stunning.
Yeah. If you're wondering where Pistol ended up, she's down here. She needed a break from her bed, stretch her legs out, so she got a laugh for a minute. Good morning.
What's so damn good about it?
Guess what? We're in a rainforest and we got rain. Crystal's taking her sweet time getting up this morning, yeah. Where are we exactly? Where did we end up? We came in off the coast.
Quinault?
Quinault, and
it's a lake right here. Really beautiful.
And it is in a rainforest. It's like the southern western rainforest of the Olympic National Park. So it's different than the...
And in this RV park sits or stands the world's tallest Sitka spruce.
You know how we feel about that.
Big stuff. We are there's Lake Quinault. There's a little town of Quinault, which really isn't much of a town, and Amanda Park. But we're probably an hour or so straight north of Aberdeen, Washington.
Okay.
But
and you look like you're gearing up for something. What's going on?
Consistency is key.
That's right.
If you're a runner, you're gonna run. That's just what you do. Yeah,
and listen, you have ran hundreds of miles in weather just like this when we lived on the Oregon coast.
There's a reason I don't live here anymore.
Yeah, it's true.
I don't know what I used to tell myself. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so green.
You told yourself, oh, I have a good job, and you forgot the rest.
Love the summers here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Love the summers here.
It's green and lush. That's why.
It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
So green. So green.
Get
That's
out.
what I'm going to think when I'm running today. Like, look how green it is here. Isn't it awesome?
It'll be invigorating. I'm just getting up. Dave's been up for a little while. And he's gonna grab the weights for me. I'm gonna get a leg workout in just here in the camper. I don't want to go out. I'm dedicated, but I will make accommodations. You can't run 8 miles in the camper, so that would be hard.
Start my timer.
Yeah.
I'm done.
I mean, it could be done.
This is why they invented treadmills.
Yeah.
Which I had not been on a treadmill in a decade.
8 years, yeah. However...
I see myself on a treadmill soon.
Yeah. Within a few weeks, I think we'll be hunkered down with a gym membership somewhere. So...
That's going to be interesting.
That will be. Dave's going to take Pistol out this morning and then grab the weights for me, and then he's going to take off on a run. So I don't even have to go outside in this yet. But when we're done with that, we'll probably make some breakfast.
I want a big bacon, eggs, hash brown breakfast.
Because this is like cozy eating weather.
I wish we had a loaf of sourdough.
Dang, yeah.
Can you whip it up while I'm gone?
No, but maybe we can find a bakery on our way today.
Okay.
And then we will have to get out in the rain and we'll walk you over to the giant spruce.
World's largest.
Yeah.
Sitka spruce.
Yeah. So we'll do that for sure. So we'll reconvene after we're all dried off. Out he goes. Good luck. You're a little wet.
This is the worst part about running if you live in an RV. No washer and dryer.
No. Well, this girl's waiting for you to get back.
Oh. Soaked to the core.
Oh my gosh.
Saw a laundromat up there in Quinault.
Yeah.
Tempted just to throw everything in it.
Maybe.
Shoes and all.
Okay, warm up. 8 miles? Dang. And here we have the world's largest spruce tree. Not just the tallest, it's the largest.
It's a champion.
58 feet, 11 inches in circumference, 191 feet tall, about 1,000 years old. Wowie. Let's see if I can show you how tall 191 feet is. Oh, I'm getting a neck ache looking up that high.
How many spoons are in that tree?
There is a lot of spoons in that tree. Pistol, what do you think?
She says, I'm going back to the truck.
She is
this is BS.
out of here. Okay, well there's the world's largest spruce tree, everybody.
Not as impressive as the fort or the basket.
Not as impressive as the ball of twine either.
Oh, look right at the ball.
It's pretty impressive though.
I suppose it's rainforest.
I feel like it had to rain while we're in a rainforest.
Well, it did.
I would have been kind of sad if it didn't. I expect this.
You okay, girl?
She looks more than okay. Oh, you're a mess. Okay, it's as good as it gets. Okay. Are we ready? You look cozy under your green bean blankie, girl. Okay, today we're headed south on 101. Not sure where we're gonna end up, but we'll just see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.